Hey guys, Chris at Rockford Ordnance. We are out at the range today. We've got our SAM7k pistol and we're going to do some first fire testing. Brand new out of the box. We've got our Circle 10 mags loaded up with some Golden Tiger and we're going to see how it runs. Well, cycled all 30 fine, and we'll see how accurate it was. I'm not sure on that, but we'll check it out. Well, it's a busy day at the range today, guys, so if you hear some other shots in the background, it's just other people out here, but fired those first shots, ran fine. We're going to do a little off the bench here to get a little more accurate placement. It was a little bit to the right. We adjusted it over. You simply turn the screw here and adjust over. So let's see where we're at now. It was about 6 inches right, and the sight was off to the right, so we should be right on the money, hopefully. Well, let's see how we did. Well, we can go a little more to the right, so we're going to do a little adjustment here. See how that does for us. Yeah, we'll go check that out. Well guys, that little adjustment just about did it, so now it's time to have some fun and just burn some rounds through here. Kind of wish I had put the sling on it today for a little more stability before we get the brace and get our flash hider put on here, but for now we can have a little bit of a fireball show. Running great. So I'm kind of liking this ambi safety on this thing, guys, but let's see if we can't make some more fireballs, huh? Running good. so smooth. This double hook trigger, magnificent. I'm it's just a fantastic trigger. That's all I can say. Really, really smooth. Well, we are waiting on our parts to finish this thing off. We got that CNC Warrior stock coming for it. We got a 4-piece Bulgarian flash hider coming for it. We'll have that to you soon, and this gun should be about there unless I choose to put an optic on it. But yeah, thing's awesome. Thanks as always, guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, Rockford Ordnance out.